Hello guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome to my hands-on tutorial of VESTA visualization package. I already show you how to install VESTA software and how to open the file. So let's start with this tutorial. First we open the file using this file open, or we can select the open recent because I opened already previously. So I can open the file. So there are various features and utilities. In the upper toolbar, there are various features. We can see one by one. If I would like to show structure along A axis, it shows along A. Similarly for along B, along C. And in this way, it shows along A star, along B star, along C star axis. And this gives us the standard visualization. Similarly, these arrows which shows the rotation, this is along x-axis in the upward direction, this is along x-axis in the downward direction. These axes are in the y-axis along left side, along right side, and similarly for the z-axis. There are other features for to change the step size, and if you want to change or step this structure, we can change. If we want to move the structure, we can use this arrow for upward, for downward direction, and for left and for right direction. Similarly, there is the zoom in, zoom out direction. Now there is downward toolbar, which shows the output, summary, and content. So in the output, it gives all the information, structural parameters, and lattice angles, space group. In this same way, we can see the left toolbar where it shows the selection of the atom, bond angle, bond distances. We can see one by one. This arrow which shows the which hold, and we can drag and rotate the structure. Similarly, the next this selection is the selection of the atom, particular atom, or we can change this particular selection. We can select particular 4 atom. If we want to select particular 4 atom, we can select in this way. Correct? So it selects the 4 atoms. Then we have bond distances and bond angles. Bond distances we can measure in the similar way. We can select this first atom. First we want to select bond distance option. Then we have to select first atom and second atom. It gives us the bond length 2.37 angstrom. Similarly, we have to select the bond angle option for measuring the bond angle. So we can select bond angle between these 3 atoms. So we can select sequentially this number 1, number 2, and number 3. It gives us the bond angle between this Ni is 66.24 degree. In this way, we can measure our bond distances and bond angles of the structures. Further, we have the style options, which shows the model in this way, or we can represent our structure in the dot structures. We can see this very light yellow colors around these atoms. Then we can have the styles like this is the ball stick structure. We can change in the space fill or polyhedral or wireframe or sticks. But generally we are using the ball and sticks. Then we have the objects toolbar. In this way, there are the selection of the atoms, or we have to select the bonds, or we can unchoose that bonds or polyhedra. So in this way, we can have the objects. So in IS, we can have and style objects we have seen. Now we have the tools. From this cursor, we are selecting the structure and rotating the structure manually. If we set the animation, it can rotate automatically. So it freely move the animation. In this way, we can use all the features easily one by one. So I hope you are enjoying this video and I'm also learning with you guys. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much guys.